Today we will discuss decline in India's fertility rate and its effect on demographic composition. Fertility rate refers to the average number of children a woman is expected to have during her reproductive years. According to NFHS, that is National Family Health Survey 5, conducted in 2019-21, India's total fertility rate, that is TFR, has dropped to 2, below the replacement level of 2.1. This reflects increased education, urbanization, economic development, and access to family planning. Causes of fertility rate decline in India: increased female education and employment, delayed marriage and childbearing, urban lifestyle and high cost of child rearing, family planning awareness and contraceptive uses, health and nutrition improvements, reducing the need for larger families, effect on demographic composition. First is aging population. With fewer births, the proportion of elderly, that is 60 plus population, is increasing. India's median age currently is around 28 years and is projected to rise significantly. Healthcare and pension system will face more pressure. B is shrinking of workforce in the long run. Fewer young people will enter the labor force in the coming decades, may lead to labor shortages and affect economic productivity. Dependency ratio, that is non-working to working population, may rise. C is demographic dividend at risk. India's large youth population, that is known as demographic dividend because largest number of population in working age, is a time-limited opportunity. Declining fertility shortens this window, that is of demographic dividend. If not utilized through education, skill development, and employment, the opportunity may be lost. Next is regional imbalances. Southern states like Kerala, Tamil Nadu have very low fertility, approaching developed country levels. Northern states like Bihar and Uttar Pradesh still have high fertility, creating regional demographic contrasts. May lead to interstate migration and socio-political challenges. Next is policy implications. Focus on elderly care, including pensions, health infrastructure, and insurance. Boost female labor force participation to offset shrinking workforce. Invest in education and skill development to make the most of the remaining demographic dividend. Plan for balanced regional development to manage population migration and urban pressure. So we can conclude that the decline in fertility rate signals social and economic progress, but also brings new demographic challenges. A well-planned strategy is required to maintain economic growth, support an aging population, and ensure inclusive development across all regions.